If you've ever missed a lead because you didn't reply fast enough, or forgot to follow up, or even just got too busy, you're not alone. Most coaches waste 5 to 10 hours a week doing stuff they could automate in under 30 minutes. Today, I'll be showing you the automations that helped me stop chasing leads and start converting them on autopilot. Here's my inbox this morning. 4 booked calls, 3 hot leads tagged, all while I was walking the dog. And no, I wasn't running paid ads, no VA chasing down leads, and I sure wasn't stuck in my DMs all day. Just clean automation doing what it's supposed to do. And I'm not the only one. Clients I work with are getting the same results once these are set up. So in this video, I'll walk you through the 3 automations I use and build for my clients that make this happen every single week. Automation number 1, missed call text back. First up, missed call text back. This one saves me hours a week, and it's ridiculously easy to set up. Let's be real, when a lead calls you and it hits voicemail, they are already dialing your competitor. But with this automation, the second a call is missed, a custom message is sent. Here's exactly how to build it from scratch inside GoHighLevel. Step 1, create the workflow. Go to the Automations tab from your GoHighLevel sidebar, then click plus create workflow. Choose Start from Scratch and give it a name like Missed Call Follow-Up. Then you'll see a blank screen with a plus add trigger button. Step 2, set the trigger. For the trigger, click plus add trigger and choose call status from the drop-down. Set it to missed and make sure the filter is set to direction, inbound, so it only fires when you miss a client's call, not when you hang up. Step 3, add the first SMS. Now add an action step and choose send SMS. Now you can type a short friendly message like, "Hey, it's your name. Sorry I missed your call. Can I help with something real quick?" It's best to keep it casual because the goal is to engage them fast while you're still the top on their mind. Step 4, add a delay plus second message. It's optional but powerful after that first message. Click the plus icon under your first message and select wait. Set it to 2 or 3 minutes, then add another send SMS action with something like, if it's easier, "Here's my calendar link to book a quick call," your link. This gives them a gentle nudge to move forward without being pushy. Automation number 2. 3-step lead nurture flow. Automation 2 is your 3-step nurture flow, and I'm not talking about the boring 5-email pitch. I mean a real value-first drip sequence that turns cold opt-ins into warm prospects. Here's the structure I use and how you can set yours up. Step 1, create the workflow. Same as before, go to the Automations tab, click plus create workflow, and select Start from Scratch. Name it something like 3-day nurture so you know what it's doing later. Step 2, add the trigger click plus add trigger and choose form submitted if it's tied to a lead magnet, or use funnel step form submitted if it's a GHL funnel. This trigger starts the flow when someone opts in. Step 3, send day 1 email or SMS. Now we begin the actual nurturing. Click plus add action and select send email or send SMS if your audience replies better to text. This first message should deliver a quick win, something that'll be useful right away. Example, "Hey, here's that free training I mentioned. Should take 5 minutes and give you a clear next step." You want this message to give value and make them think, this could be actually useful. Step 4, wait, then build day 2 message. Now click the plus icon under your first message and choose wait. Set it for 1 day. Then add another, send email or SMS. This message is your authority builder. It can be a client result, a personal story, or a myth-busting insight. Something like, "Most coaches waste hours doing X. Here's how I helped client name fix that in a week." You're showing them you know your stuff without pitching. Step 5, final CTA message. Add another. Wait for 1 more day. Then drop in your final message. This is where you add urgency plus direction. Something like, like, "Hey, just wanted to check in. If you're still interested, I've got 2 coaching spots open next week. Want to chat?" It's light, confident, and drives them toward a booking. Step 6. Smart filters and tags. Here's where you level it up. Use conditional logic in GHL. If they click a link, tag them as engaged. If they don't, loop them back into a longer nurture. You can also notify yourself if someone's showing strong interest. Automation number 3, dead lead revival. If you want a simple automation that 2x'd one of my clients' conversion rates, it's called the dead lead revival, and it quietly brings cold contacts back to life without you lifting a finger. Now to set it up. Step 1. Create the workflow, head to automations. Click plus create workflow and start from scratch. Name it Dead Lead Revival. Step 2. Add the trigger. Click plus add trigger. Search for custom date reminder. Then set a filter for last engagement is greater than 30 days ago. This ensures it only targets people who've been inactive. Step 3. Send the revival message. Add a send SMS or email action with a light check-in message. Hey, just checking in. Are you still thinking about coaching offer? No pressure, just wanted to follow up. This feels personal, but doesn't come off desperate. Step 4. Optional. Tag or notify. You can also add a tag like re-engaged or notify yourself if they reply. This revived 7 leads for me last month, people I'd completely written off. Set it once, forget it, and let GoHighLevel do the silent follow-up in the background. Quick recap. Missed call text back follows up instantly. 3-step nurture flow builds trust while you sleep. Dead lead revival brings ghost leads back into your pipeline. And if you want to skip building all this from scratch, I've got something special for you. You can grab the full automation bundle, pre-built, plug and play, and import it directly into your GoHighLevel account. Plus, there's a 30-day free GoHighLevel trial exclusively through the link below. That's 16 extra days beyond the standard 14-day trial, and it's only available for a limited time. Use the extra time to test everything we just walked through. You've got nothing to lose, and hours of your week to win back. Talk soon.